and I think it was sometime in 2003 when we went to visit Samanvay Gallery and saw this exhibition of paintings from an upcoming artist, Deepto Narayan. And what we saw was quite amazing. We really liked his paintings, and almost impulsively we bought these two paintings. And in fact, my wife also liked them very much because they depicted the vicissitudes of life.
When we saw them, the first time we went to the exhibition, saw the paintings, I don't know, I never thought we could buy, but they were affordable also. So we just told them to put the red dots on the paintings.
And we have been living with these paintings for all these years, and I think they have grown on us. We like these paintings so much that it's really something beautiful to look at.
We didn't have much place actually to put it in.
And there was some, the technique was also very new to us. We have been seeing exhibitions and visiting exhibitions for a very long time, but it was something quite new for us because the quality, it gave an effect of an embossed quality on canvas, which was not exactly traditional mode of painting like oil on canvas or acrylic on canvas, but it was something very different.
Yeah, to me, I don't know all this technicality, but they were very, very, appealing to me. The first sight I saw them, threads, human figures, life as it, goes on and ends with a lotus, a flower, which is, I think, very, very positive. So I could just see positivity in the paintings and, nothing else. Human figures with, different postures, and end was a very beautiful flower. And, it has a pink color in the, lotus and the flower. The first time drawing room, though it's not very big, so we just we had a friend actually who stayed in Jaipur. So he asked us to give us the paintings to put in his drawing room. Ultimately, they shifted to Delhi and we got them back. So we have preserved them nicely, kept them, but weren't able to display. Like they're so beautiful, we should be actually displaying for people to see such a beautiful work of art. So it would be very nice if some or the other way people are able to see them. They're such beautiful pieces of art.
Recently we got a call from Samanvay Gallery, and we were delighted to learn that they are holding a retrospective of those paintings after all these years. And I think I am looking forward to interact with him because he must have grown up during all these years. And I hear that he has become very famous in some countries like Romania and all. So, and they have also asked us to loan these paintings for the retrospective, and I'm very glad to do that.
Yeah, we would love to do it. Let people see it again. 10 years back, what work he had done. Now he must be really
How
different.
he has evolved during all these years.
Yeah.
Remember that when I met Mr. Deepto Narayan at that time, during that inaugural show of Samanvay, he struck me as a very simple and down-to-earth guy, and which also prompted me to buy his paintings. And I am really curious to know how he has changed during all these years, how fame has affected him, or whether he has developed some new techniques, new sort of paintings, new mode of paintings. I am really looking forward to that.
Okay.